Bill. Okay. From OUA din. Okay. Welcome po. And from Procurement Unit, Mr. Mark, and from DIO, Mr. Patrick. So, by the following invested with the chairperson, I now declare that there is a quorum. Thank you, Madam Chairman.
Thank you, Leader FPJ. So, any concern or anything to be discussed? May I ask the programmers from the Planning and Design section to please briefly discuss the scope of work of your projects.
Good morning po. Ma'am, unahan na po yung 5 meters wide at yung thickness po nyo is 0.23. And yung Villa Fermin to San Manuel, 5 million. Then is 400 meters. We cross the drainage po along yung section. Then thickness is 0.23 and 5 meters wide. Then yung Kabarwan po, 10 million, 5 meters wide, and thickness is 0.23. Tapos meron po siyang 7 po na sections kasi mga gap po yung mga pinahan. Tapos yung street lights po.
Madam Chair, regarding naman po for the contract ID 25B0279 to 279 280 278 281 282 283 284. Maybe atin po tayo ng 624 yun yung solar street lights na may dimension na 1.2 by 0.7 meter natin. Tapos with a total number of pieces of 389 for the 96,500,000, and for the 49 million with a total number of pieces of 195 pieces of street lights. 95.
Good morning po, Madam Chair. Yung repair maintenance po ng Cagayan River Revetment 23 po tayo. Location niya po sa Lacab Jones. May damage po doon ng 15 meters po na line. Yun po, nire-repair tapos may 7 layers po siya. Ayun lang. Isa lang.
Question meron dun? Ay, matanong. Okay, sige. Ayun pa natin, may concern kayo? Ano ang call nyo? Anong proposed project to be bid? To bid.
About po sa key personnel, yung quantity. About po sa quantity surveyor po, dapat po ba generic or kahit-kaya po ng civil engineer? Kabarwan po ma'am, yung 277.
Sa minimum na personal na linalagay dun sa docs, nalagay ko wala naka-specify na genetic dun as per sa programmer. So as long na technical na alam niya naman yung wina-quantify niya, di ba? Ganun naman yun. Not necessary naman na genetic. Kasi hindi naman parcellary survey yan. Quantity surveyor, sabi lang yun.
Pero okay ka po na siya.
Depende.